Ha- Hello guys, my name is Aditya and welcome to our new video of university. So guys, my name is Aditya and welcome to our new video. So today's topic is black hole. The first time the idea of a black hole was suggested was in the late 1790 by John Michael of England, Paris, or Laplace of France. They both proposed the idea of an invisible star by applying the first student star law. They calculated its mass and size, which is now called the event horizon, that an object would need in order to be faster than even the speed of light. Later in 1915, Einstein predicted the exchange of black holes with his general relativity theory. After that, in 1967, John Wheeler, an American theoretical physicist, applied the term of black holes to what it means now. What are black holes? A black hole is a great amount of matter packed in very small size. It is a place in space which has such big gravitational field that nothing can even light can not even light can exceed. Scientists can directly observe black holes, and the only way to perceive them by detecting their effect on nearby. As the attract matter accelerates and heated up, it emits X-rays that radiate into a space, emitting powerful gamma ray bursts which devours nearby stars. So, how are black holes created? How are black holes created? Stellar black hole. One-way black hole. Dying stars inside stars and nuclear fusion. Gravity collide. This creates stability nuclear field. Gravity compresses the explode into a supernova and the cone inward. After that, a black hole is the big star which are at least 10 times. So, there are two types of black holes: miniature black hole and supermassive black hole. Miniature black hole. These types of black holes have event horizon as small as atomic particles. Physics suggests that these were created during the Big Bang. Miniature black holes were created more than 10 billion years ago, and compressed into a relatively small point, which later exploded and created a supermassive explosion. Supermassive black holes, fastest moving gas jets and gravitational force are equal to 10 billion suns compressed together. These are what we call supermassive black holes. Their eventual horizon is an imaginary sphere around them. Then nothing can escape. When matter enters the black hole, it increases in size, reaching other matter which it could not observe before, according to its physical properties. Each black hole has their physical property. There are four types of black hole. The short tail black hole, which has no charge or no rotation, the simplest type of black hole that exists. The regular normal black hole. It doesn't not rotate but have electric charge. Kerr-Newman black hole, which has charge and rotates. The Kerr black hole, which rotates and doesn't have charge inside. White holes and wormholes. White holes are not provided to exist. Black hole is considered to be the exact opposite of a black hole. It cannot be observed matter. It can only exclude it. It can consider by some physical to be mathematical answer to get general equations of reality. If white holes actually exist, then we would also see the appearance of wormhole. A wormhole is a combination of black hole and wormhole. Wormhole would make matter enter through the black hole and appear again through the white hole, because as the parts of black hole. There are two types of black hole: the event horizon and singularity. Event horizon. This is the part of a black hole where nothing can get out. It is usually defined as a big sphere that surrounds the black hole, which absorbs any material, including light. Some theories that only radiation can escape this area. Singularity. This is the part of a black hole in which all the mass of the black hole has been compressed to a very small space. As a result, the singularity atmosphere is infinite. So, the Archean disk. This is a disk that is composed by stellar material which goes around the black hole forming a spiral. The reason if a black hole is rotating and spinning, it must cause space and time to rotate around it. So, the photosphere. The photosphere is a place in which gravity is so high that photons have to travel around the black hole orbit. It is the place in which light is forced to stay. The Schwarzschild radius. This is the event horizon radius. It is the radius at which escape velocity is equal to the speed of light. Is the event horizon radius. Its formula is R is equal to 2gm/c2. Jet of gas. In some black holes, there is such high intensity that magnified fields are emitted perpendicularly to the accretion disk. Due to it, some charged particles have to go around the black hole because it is in a magnetic field. Spaghettification. In astrophysics, this is a term refers to the effect a black hole imposes on a body or matter. This term was proposed by Stephen Hawking in the book A Brief History of Time, where he compares these effects into spaghettis, saying that you are stretched and you turn so thin that you break apart and transfer into a matter. Current facts about black holes. Current facts about black holes. The can explode only the smaller ones. Second, they fire rectangles death rays. Third, it is not their mass, it is their size what matters. Fourth, black hole distort space-time. Fifth, objects appear to freeze near black hole. Sixth, black hole eventually evaporate one over time. So very thank you for this video, and please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.